This is Who Wants to Be a Summer Reader? With your host, Mr. Poe. Live from the Brentwood Public Library Auditorium.
What is going on? What is going on? It's me, Mr. Poe, and welcome to the Who Wants to Be a Summer Reader. I'm Mr. Poe, your host, and let me introduce you to our contestants. From Brentwood, meet Juan.
Yeah, we win this.
Now, Juan, what do you do here at the Brentwood Public Library?
I'm engaged.
All right. Next up is also from Brentwood, Alberto. Look at that bird! Wow! Alberto's very famous here in the Brentwood Library. He's done many outreach programs out here. Look at him go! Oh, look at that! Beautiful. All right, and our last contestant, also from Brentwood, Joshua.
Hey, Mom, I did it!
He's yelling at his mom. Besides that, you are also part of the Average Brentwood Teens. Am I correct?
Yes, a great podcast made by teens for teens.
All right, I like that. That's beautiful. Very smart contestants. Question number 1. Who can participate in the Public Library Summer Reading Challenge? Well, all right. What's the answer, Alberto? No. Nah. Only owls and other bird mascots. That's incorrect. What's the actual right answer?
All Brentwood Library card holders ages 5 through 12.
All right, good stuff. It's okay, Alberto. We'll get him next time. All right. Next question. How does the Summer Reading Challenge work? Joshua.
First, you have to visit the library to pick up a summer reading kit and then enter what you have read online for a chance to win outdoor fun prize bundles.
All right. Good stuff, Joshua. Look at that. Beautiful. All right. What are some of the cool prizes kids can win for the Summer Reading Challenge? The answer is no. It's not small rodents. I know. It's not the right answer. Somebody buzz it for the correct answer. Go ahead, Juan.
Giant bubble words? Let's see. Spike ball, portable cornhole, light up paddle ball, and kites and more.
And that's what we have right here. Look at the beautiful prizes from the Brentwood Public Library. We got some moody catchers where you're happy. All right. Now, we got a whole bunch of prizes that the kids are going to love when you read those books. All right. Next question. You guys heard that?
No.
Uh-oh. That sounds like it's time for the lightning round. Shout out the answer if you know it. What type of books count for the Summer Reading Challenge?
Biographies,
Chapter books,
audiobooks,
books by Raina Telgemeier,
Diary of a Wimpy Kid,
non-fiction books,
Dogman books,
magazines,
Elephant and Piggy books,
graphic novels,
ebooks.
All right! They got them all right! Wow! That's some good stuff, man. Wow! Summer Reading Challenge. That's beautiful. All right. Well then, now since you guys got all those answers correct, we're going to stop you by for this commercial that Mr. Poe and Mr. Popo have done. We'll be right back.
I love
in a couple of minutes.
All right.
What is going on? It is me, Mr. Poe.
And it's me, Mr. Popo. So, Mr. Poe, I have a few questions for you. I've been having some trouble. Do you have anything I could use to fix that trouble?
So we have the Brentwood Public Library's online resources for kids. Available anytime with your library card, computer, tablet, and phone. For example, Libby. Now, on Libby, you can browse, check out, download ebooks, audiobooks on your computer or mobile devices.
I think they shout it out all the time, Hoopla. Hoopla has some similar things as well. They have ebooks, audiobooks, comics, movies, TV shows, and music. Ooh.
Now, we got live virtual homework with brain cues, study tools, and practice tests. All right.
National Geographic for Kids database. You see, in here, not only can you learn about cool animals, you can learn about science, nature, culture, archaeology, and space.
This is a new one that I just found out about. It's called Tumble Books. The cool thing about them, they're talking picture books, read along chapter books, and more. Visit our website, BrentwoodNYLibrary.org.
That's Brentwood, BRENT Wood NY Library.org.
All right. Oh, we're back? Well then, that was fast. Why did not really? All right, well, welcome back. What else does the library have going on for this summer? No, it is not 360 head turning contest. Nice try. You almost had it. It's okay.
Reading programs for teens and adults?
Yes.
Grab and go lunch for kids Monday through Friday from 12 to 1.
Yes. Correct.
Fun outdoor programs like craft and outdoor readings?
Yes. Correct.
Virtual programs like Minecraft and yoga.
Correct.
Take and make craft activity kits like chocolate chip cookie pizza.
Yeah, good job, man. That's a tongue twister. All right. Last question. For quadruple the points, whoever gets this answer right is automatically the winner. All right? Why is it so important to read over the summer? Oh, yeah! The new one! Oh, Pluto! Yeah! What a comeback! Reading helps kids hold on to what they learn in school. Reading helps kids get ready for the next school year. Reading is awesome. Great answer.
All right.
This has been Who Wants to Be a Summer Reader? I'm Mr. Poe. Keep reading and I'll see you at the library. All right. And that's how we do. Good stuff. Good stuff.